Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Neals Chitan, President of Motivate for Change International, here in Jamaica, in the beautiful Camp Verley, with Seneca 2015, which stands for Central Conference Youth Camp. This year they've adopted the theme Stop and Think, which comes exactly from our Project Stop and Think International Crime Reduction program. With me is one of our counselors, Latoya. How are you doing, Latoya? Okay, it's good to meet you, and we've done some chatting, but I want to ask you a question, Latoya. As a counselor, you've sat in most of the sessions, have you?
Yes, I have.
You've heard the presenter and the concepts. What can you say? What do you think about the impact of these concepts?
Well, one, I am in charge of 8 females between the age of 15 to 16. The first night they came, they had what I would consider to be negative attitudes towards superiors. However, after the first session, which you emphasized on the females being wonderfully made, I went back to the cabin and I spoke to them, and I realized that they are more relaxed and they are more stop and think before they respond to me. I can give you a particular instance. Wednesday morning, when we had line call, there was a particular female that was doing something, and I said to her, it's time for line call. And she, based on her facial expression, I could tell that she was going to give a negative response. But then she put her hand on her head and said, Auntie, can you give me a minute, please? And after line call and our morning devotion, I asked her, why did you do that? And she said, Auntie, remember the theme is stop and think. Talk about it first. And that really moved me.
So they're really motioning the thinking.
Yes.
And putting her hand on her head.
Yes.
So now talk a little about the impact of the strategy. Do you think the concepts that have been shared would be helpful for other youth? What do you think?
Yes, it would. And in the society, Jamaican society, where most of the males are viewed as being rough and negative, I would really appreciate if this concept is exposed to the wider Jamaican society, especially the inner city, or what we call garrisons, for the young men.
Okay.
Well, I've really seen changes in some of the young men at camp themselves.
Wow.
We normally, over the years I've been coming to camp, and we normally have problem with them with the belts in the pants and wearing the pants on the waist, and to be honest, we don't have that problem.
That's changes here. Well, I'm so glad that I was invited to come. Understand, I know some of the sessions are tough because I say it as it is, but I believe they need to hear it as it is, and it was great working with you guys. And I pray that as I leave, as we part company, that you adults will help to support these concepts in these young people so that we'll have a better Jamaica, right?
That's our goal.
Thank you very much. God bless. All right.